Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Buddha's teachings and how you can apply them to your daily life for greater mindfulness, compassion, and respect. If you're looking to find inner peace and create more harmonious relationships, you've come to the right place. Let's explore these profound lessons together. In this video, we'll break down 5 key lessons from Buddha's teachings. 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It involves paying complete attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. In daily life, you can apply mindfulness by focusing on the task at hand. Whether it's eating, walking, or having a conversation, be fully engaged in that experience. Mindfulness reduces stress and anxiety, improves concentration, and enhances your ability to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. It also promotes active listening and empathy in your interactions with others. 2. Cultivate compassion. Compassion is the ability to feel empathy and kindness towards all living beings. It involves understanding that everyone experiences suffering and challenges in life. In daily life, you can cultivate compassion by being kind and considerate to others, even in challenging situations. Put yourself in their shoes and treat them with the same respect and understanding that you would want. Compassion builds stronger relationships, fosters a sense of interconnectedness, and promotes an atmosphere of respect and care. 3. Embrace impermanence. Buddha taught that all things, both pleasant and unpleasant, are impermanent and subject to change. Recognizing this impermanence allows you to let go of attachments and expectations. In daily life, embracing impermanence means appreciating the good moments without clinging to them and facing difficult times with resilience. It encourages you to live in the present moment, accepting the ebb and flow of life. This understanding leads to inner peace, as you release the fear of losing what you hold dear and gain respect for the ever-changing nature of existence. 4. Practice nonviolence, ahimsa. Ahimsa is the principle of nonviolence and non-harm towards all living beings, including through actions, words, and thoughts. In daily life, practicing nonviolence means resolving conflicts peacefully through dialogue, avoiding gossip or hurtful language, and making choices that do not cause harm to others or the environment. Ahimsa fosters a more peaceful and respectful environment, where differences can be resolved without resorting to violence, and where words and actions promote harmony and understanding. 5. Seek wisdom and self-reflection. Buddha's path to enlightenment was rooted in self-reflection, meditation, and the pursuit of wisdom. It involves an ongoing journey of self-improvement and a quest for deeper understanding. In daily life, seek wisdom through reading, learning, and self-reflection. Continuously question your beliefs and actions, and strive to grow as an individual. This pursuit of wisdom not only benefits you by helping you make better decisions, but also earns the respect of others who value your insight and thoughtful approach to life. Incorporating these teachings into your daily life can lead to personal growth and a way of living that is grounded in mindfulness, compassion, and respect for the world and its inhabitants. These principles can be universally admired and respected by those who witness the positive impact of such practices in your life. Embrace the wisdom of Buddha's teachings, and with each step, let mindfulness, compassion, and respect be your guiding light on the journey to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. 1. Embrace the wisdom of Buddha's teachings. This part urges us to open ourselves to the profound insights and guidance found in Buddha's teachings. It's an invitation to explore the philosophy, values, and principles that he advocated. 2. With each step, life is a journey, and this phrase reminds us that change and personal growth happen incrementally. Every step we take, whether it's a small daily action or a more significant life decision, can be influenced by these teachings. 3. Let mindfulness, compassion, and respect be your guiding light. Here, we are encouraged to make mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, compassion, kindness and empathy towards others, and respect toward all living beings, our core principles. They should illuminate our path and influence our decisions, actions, and interactions. 4. On the journey to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. This part underscores the goal of integrating these principles. By doing so, we embark on a path towards a life that is not only more meaningful and fulfilling for ourselves, but also one that positively impacts those around us. It's a reminder that by embracing these teachings, we can create a better and more harmonious world. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and universal respect, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Together, we'll explore the wisdom of Buddha and its application in our modern lives. Thank you.